How many standards does a power adapter need to conform to? This is a DJI power adapter. Looking at the logos on this power adapter, we can see how many standards and regulatory specification that this need to conform to. You can see UL. I do not find CE though. I do not find anything related to India here. But nevertheless, you get the idea. This one output power 3 ampere at 5 volts, 2 ampere at 9 volt, and 1.5 ampere at 12 volt. This is a USB power delivery or USB. I don't know what the specifications, but it negotiate the power voltage and accordingly change the power spec.